Hello YouTubers, my name is Ace and you're watching the Ace Station. Today's review is going to be about Heavy Rain for the PlayStation 3. Unfortunately, due to PlayStation Network issues, I was unable to record video necessary for the review. According to online sources, the PlayStation got confused when it turned to March 1st as the system read it as February 29th. This caused a crash, forcing PlayStation users to lose playability to certain games and also reports of corrupted trophy information. Until the problem is resolved, Heavy Rain's review will be delayed until further notice. My apologies. My name is Ace, and thank you for watching.
What the hell? What do you mean no Heavy Rain review? I've been looking forward to it all week. Why, God? Why? It's not fair. Oh, God. Damn you. Damn you. Damn you. I'm over it.